G'day guys, I am here today to do an unboxing for you of just an order that I put in with Crazy Craft Obsessions, and I just wanted to, it seems to be a very Crazy Craft Obsession kind of day, but I wanted to show you the stuff that I got, so let's have a look. So this is how it turns up, obviously with packaging so things don't get broken. Dun, 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 dun. Okay, what have we got here? So this is Cass's new card, Cass and Jacques. This is their thank you card. It's so pretty. I love their colours. They're beautiful. Okay, these. All right. I think we've found our next 6x6 paper pad to smash. What do you reckon? Do you reckon we can do this? Do you think we can? These are stunning. I reckon we can do a lot with this. What do you think? Who's up for it? Good challenge? These are basically, Craft Consortium do these beautiful, beautiful alcohol ink looking pages, and I actually have these in a large 12x12, but I've never bought a 6x6. So Cass and Jacques have actually gifted this to me. So let's see if we can't smash the Ink Drops Candy 6x6 paper pad. This will be our one for January through to February. And we have a total of 40 double-sided sheets. So that is what we're going to work on. And I think these actually would go really well with it. So that, we might keep those together. What do you reckon? Beautiful stars. I like them. Glitter. More glitter. I love glitter. Okay, so what have we got in here? Try not to yell because I'm recording on my iPhone rather than on my camcorder. I know, I'm old. I use a camcorder. Why? Because it works and it's crystal clear. Oh yes. Okay, finally have every single Distress Oxide ink. I don't know how I missed Rustic Wilderness, but guess what, I've got it now. So that is this green. I think this is going to be the green that I needed in, I know I say needed, I use the term loosely, but it's like there was a green missing sort of thing. That's why. Okay. All right. Glazing medium. Now, this, I'm going to have a play with this because I've got a bit of an idea. So let me have a play with it, and I will be using this in one of my mixed media layouts in the next week or so. It is the Dina Wakley Media Glazing Medium. It says it extends open time of paint, which means it keeps your paint sort of more pliable for the time that you have it. So, but there's something else that I wanted to have a play with to see if I could do it with this. So that one, I'll get back to you on that. More stickles. I got Nebula back. You know that I love this one because I think, look at that, it's all gone. So I have a couple of stars in there though. I won't waste those. But now I have a new one. Yay. This is the Ranger Stickles Glitter Gel. So my video that I did yesterday, I actually essentially made this kind of thing myself, which you can totally do. Or you can buy this product already done. And it just depends. I mean, you obviously wouldn't put this over your entire layout as thick as I did the glitter, but this stuff has sparkle like no other. It is the best stuff, and I absolutely love it. I have it in so many different colours and shine. And look, there's none left in that one, but you know, it's all good. We have a new one. We have Nebula back in the house. Oh yes. Very happy about that. Now, I have not bought any of these Luna pastes or any of this sort of stuff yet. So I wanted to buy this one. This is the Simon Hurley Luna paste. It is gold. I will have a play with it if you want me to have I go and see if there's some different things I can do with it. This one's called Slippery When Wet, and it's a gold. So I wanted to have a look and see what I could do with that. I haven't ordered lots of colours because I'm one that usually needs all of everything in a collection. This, I don't think I need all of everything in the collection. But I might open it and be very surprised, and I might want it. Now, I ordered this. This is a Vicki Boutin Warm Wishes stamp set. Why did I order this? Okay, I actually wanted the stars. The snowflakes, I don't get snow in Australia, so they are really not for me. But that mark there, I love that. I love the word tradition. I loved these stars. The word joy I can use, obviously, and celebrate. The snowflakes are a bit of a for a Queensland girl, but that's okay. I can maybe see if I can do something with them. I don't know. Maybe we can make a pattern with them. Maybe we can stamp so they don't look like snowflakes. They look like something else. Leave it with me and I'll see what I can come up with. So that's the Vicki Boutin stamp Warm Wishes. That one. This, I've actually had my eye on this stamp for a little while. This is a Darkroom Door small stencil stamp, and it's called Polka Dots. It's 4.5 inches by 6 inches, and I've had my eye on it for a bit because I really like the, see how it's got the lines going through the circles? I really like that. I think that will add a lot of texture to a page, and I also like supporting Australian, you know, Aussie, all the way, designed in Australia, but made in China. But that's okay. That's all right. We can deal with that. And, okay, I'll get to that in a minute. But this is what a few people mentioned to me the other day. Now, this is the texture paste, distressed texture paste. I have been using different texture pastes, but this one is, it's called Grave. And this one is called Crypt. Now, I'm not sure if these are the answer to what I was looking for, but I thought I'd get them, give it a try, and if you like what I do with it, it may be something you might want to get as well. So, again, I got all this from Crazy Craft Obsessions online, Australian online store, and they're in New South Wales. Now, I ordered all this stuff, I think it was Monday, and it arrived to me today on Friday. So they're extremely quick, even though Cass is very, very pregnant right now. Still happens nice and quickly. Okay, this is the Craft Consortium wood papers. Now, I'm going to try and flick this without... Okay, so you can sort of see one and the other, right? So you end up with 3 of the same, I'm pretty sure it's 3 of each. 2, 3, yes. So you end up with 3 sheets of each. Now this is, how do I explain it? It's not really thick, heavy cardstock. It's about, feels to me a bit like the American Crafts white textured cardstock. It's about that thickness. Actually, does it say on the front? 180 GSM. There you go. So then there's that one. There's that one. Oh, I like that. Oh, this one's very beachy with the blue in it. Oh, I like that with the textures coming through. That's so nice. If you can hear something playing in the background, I have my niece and nephew over today, and I just said to them, they've gone outside to make oobleck. Do you know what oobleck is? If you don't, Google it. It's an interesting concept. It's where a liquid acts as a solid. It's so gross. Kids love making it. Corn flour and water, or if you're overseas, corn starch and water. And, oh, I like that one. It is so grungy. I love that. That is so nice. That's how I want my floors in here. That would be so nice. Nice dark one. Dark wood. See, I think these dark ones are really good for mail layouts because they're not so light and airy-fairy sort of looking. They're more heavy, dense, more broody, sort of more masculine. That's my take on it anyway. So I have lots of wood backgrounds. I love using natural wood look on backgrounds, but I had run out of a lot of them. So now I have the Craft Consortium Wood Textures 12 by 12 papers. What else can I tell you? I am, so I did my design team layout today. It's up and running, so have a look and see if that's something you like. I think I used Pink Fresh Studio papers for that one. And thank you so much for watching. I will chat to you again soon, guys. Bye for now.